go back to your drawing board and start disciplining yourself. Discipline is important. It is everything that we need. Disciplined people can easily understand themselves, even when they've had bad choices and decisions in their life. I've been having 2 trucks. One truck was stolen in Tembisa and it was never recovered. Then in 2016 I got married. By the time I got married, I thought no, everything was going to be okay, because early April 2016 I paid the lobola. Then 2016, the same year, in December, 16 December, then we got married and we did the celebrations. And the things like that I want to explain about this, it's that I had my own choice. And, she was my choice, and I took a decision to get married, to marry her, and that was my decision to marry her. At the end of the day, for me to do that, because if I wasn't having enough money, I had to sell some of the driving school materials in order to make the celebration to be big. And, things happened. We got separated in a space of 17 months, whereby I sold the truck and sold the other cars and left with only one car. Meaning I sold my business for a lady, and that was my stupidity. I never lost hope on everything that I'm doing. Just let me tell you something that you don't know about this. After getting married, I lost everything, and the car that I was even left with, it got cloned. Yes, it got cloned. I've sold one truck knowing that, when you're happy, when you are a married man and you're happy having a wife at home, you'll be a happy man. And I thought I'll be the happiest man, knowing that, when you're happy, you always have everything that comes up by your way. Everything comes up in a good way. Everything, if you're happy and you're looking for a job, you'll always get a job. If you're happy looking for something, anything that you're looking for, it does come your way. But I never thought that happiness was just gonna disappear like that, because of, as I said, it never lasted for 17 months, and I was left with nothing. And I had to wake up now, just starting to discipline myself, or starting to focus in my life and never losing it, because of, but it comes and goes sometimes, and you must never give up in life. And I had to blame myself first, and because of that, I knew that my decisions and choices were the ones that started the business, and my decisions and choices were the ones that destroyed it. But now, as more disciplined and knowing that, I won't be taking wrong decisions and choices without knowing the right way, or because of I'm now taking things very much easily, in a way that if you really want to move away from these wrong decisions and choices, you must really have a discipline, because of if you really don't have a discipline, you will crash big time, big time. And I don't want to see people crashing, or don't want to see you crash. Don't be defeated by this disease of making wrong decisions and choices. Discipline and focus equals to power. You must know, if you discipline yourself and you focus into everything that you do, everything that you know best, you become a powerful person in life. Stay focused and focus on your dreams and goals. This life will be like the best thing you ever had. This life we're living is all about us, and we are so much responsible for it. No one else is so much responsible for you and for me. Let's take these responsibilities